Well, not my favourite job, but it's a necessity. It's a necessity for a few reasons. Number one, I guess, like most things on a boat, it's for safety. So if in a situation where, we had bad weather coming, for example, it's imperative that we can get up and going in the shortest possible space of time. So it's important that certain things on the boat, underneath the boat, more to the point, need to be kept clear. The rudder, you can see here, is one of those things. So we want good steerage, especially in challenging conditions. And the other thing is the propeller, of course. When it's dirty, it doesn't work efficiently to very poorly when it's in a poor, dirty state, as it was in that first picture. When it's clean and smooth, it works very, very well and efficiently and safely, of course. So the propeller, as well as the water inlets with the grates on them in particular, are the most tedious to clean, but the propeller and rope cutter are very, very tedious. There's a lot of moving parts and tricky little spots to get to, and some of the growth doesn't want to come off that easy, even though I have Prop 1, a super slick surface that nothing is supposed to stick to. Well, it's not supposed to stick to very easily, and supposedly when you start spinning the propeller, it's pretty well supposed to all fall off. Well, that hasn't been the case for me. It is easier to get off than having a bare metal propeller, but still not ideal. And again, from that first photo, you saw how much growth that was, and that was probably over a period of, I'd say, around 3 to 4 weeks of just continuous growth. In fairness, we are in the Caribbean with warm water, probably plenty of nutrients in the water, so it does grow fairly quickly. Not as quickly as, I'm in Martinique, so it doesn't grow as quickly as Trinidad, but still pretty quickly. I must say though, once the job's done, it's very satisfying. It feels pretty good to get it all nice and smooth and clean again. It's still not perfect, but wow, what a contrast to before, don't you think? If we look after the gear will look after us. By the way, the other very tedious area is the bow thruster with the tunnel and the small propellers. Probably would be easier to actually take them off, and I don't really like to do that in the water, although I probably should try, because it would be much easier to give them a clean with the blades off, and then I could get right inside as well. So I might even do that.
Brunton's Auto Prop will greatly enhance the performance of your vessel under power and sail. What the Auto Prop does is it self-regulates its pitch with the speed of the boat and the speed of the engine. And how it does that is it balances the forces acting on it to find the optimum angle of attack. This will give you more speed at less RPM and save on fuel bills. What this demonstrates to you in the tank is when the propeller is running in ahead and then into astern, which it is now, it shows that the leading profile is still leading in both directions, giving you better stopping performance and better manoeuvrability. When under sail, the Auto Prop will feather, taking the least line resistance, just like a flag in the wind, giving you up to a half a knot more speed under sail.
I am in no way sponsored by Brunton propellers, but after experiencing my fixed propeller and the Brunton Auto Prop, I am very happy to endorse everything that was stated in that video. I have been very, very happy with the Brunton Auto Prop performance, and it's a game changer. compared to a fixed propeller for sure.